my weekly uh damage, if that's the word I can call it. That's my damage for the week. So first thing first, what did I reflect on, or what the fuck did I really just learn is like revenge training just makes you it just hurts me more than it does ever help me. That's what I learned. So yeah. Um like I was thinking a little deeper to like why did I tend to overtake it, and I guess it's just because I'm close to like passing the thing for the payout. So maybe that's the thing that was kind of like rushing my subconsciously my reasoning, and me trying to be a little bit too aggressive. But the thing that I mean, maybe on when was it? When was this? On Thursday. It was probably the only really day that I had a really nasty day. Yeah, Thursday. Thursday. I remember Thursday. I ain't gonna lie, I did overtrade, and not just overtrade, because I feel like you could overtrade, and not necessarily revenge trade. Because I feel like overtrading, you still have logic within your trade, right? The only thing that like separates it for me is like with the emotion behind it. Yeah. So I mean, I don't think it was a. So cutie. ¿Estás cara baño? My bad. I got shit to do. I'll call you later. I'll go play with you later. Okay. But anyways, yeah. Revenge trading. I was revenge trading on Thursday, like stupid, bro, to the point where like I did not give a fuck about like losing months of. I was in a very dangerous situation, and bro, I ain't gonna lie, like that shit just mentally eats you up, like it's such an internal battle. It's like, bro, like you begin to think a lot of shit, like the one being for me is like, have I really grown as a trader? Like, am I really like where I thought I was gonna be at, or where I think I'm gonna be at? Like, do I have what it takes? So that's like the shit that's just a mental toll on your shit. But I in a way, I kind of like, I don't think I overcame it, but I was able to really reflect on, understand, like, bro, like if I overtrade now, like, and I'm telling you guys, I was overtraded now, bro, because I was like risking like 400-500 like per trade, or just a stupid amount of money. Like I'm like, whatever, fuck it, that was like, I was literally like on a fuck it type of, ride. I was like, dude, I don't care, like, But then I'm thinking, bro, I'm like, bro, I'm just so close to passing. So then I kind of stopped myself. I'm like, bro, if I continue to blow myself up more, like all these good trades that I took, all these things, it's just gonna be gone now. So if I'm gonna overtrade, I have to do it in a better condition. You know what I mean? But usually when I figure out, like, when it's good condition, I don't even overtrade. I just risk normal, like, But then when it gets bad, that's when I tend to get, confident, like, yo, fuck it, whatever happened. So that being said, I am down like 600 for the week. I could have been down more, okay, if it wasn't for Friday, as you can see, right here. If it wasn't for Friday, I took a good trade, and this was a good trade. This was a beautiful trade. This was a beautiful. Like, these were good trades. The only day that I truly, I honestly feel like was a bad day was this day. This day. And not gonna lie, bro, I was worse down because I started look at this shit, bro. I started revenge trading on this day. If I remember correctly, I was down like 4 something, I think, at one point. And then my over trading just like, took over, and then I was on, and then I'm like, yo, bro, like this can't be happening. So I think I finally took a trade at the end of the day as well, and then it kind of played out, like it gave me a few points, but then I ended up like just leaving for the day. I was like, it's not worth it. It's not worth my peace. It's not worth, like, like my hard work. So I'm glad I was able to climb back into the 50,000s, 51,000. So again, I'm just gonna bust my balls again in the week and just let it be good. So first things first. Now review the trade. Like, reflection already came through. Reflection is just what it is. Like, reflection is only a reflection if you actually do something about it. Or won't do it anymore. Well, technically, it's coherently doing something about it. Anyway, so let's start Monday, right? Let's start Monday. Monday was here, guys. I'm glad none of these trades were bad, or like I'm not upset, like, except Thursday. Thursday, like the trades where I started revenge trading, those are the ones that I was like kind of like beginning to reflect on. But bro, it's not freaking loading. But what's up, boy? What's up? Give me a sec. Look at my neighbor dog. Come here. Come here, right here, Baba. Right here. Hey, what you good boy? It's my neighborhood. My neighborhood. My roommate dog. Alright, bro. Why the hell is it not working? I'm gonna refresh this. I think it's slow. But yeah, I'm down for the week, but I can make that up in a good week, bro. I just kind of chill. But yeah, definitely revenge trading is not for me. Like some people are way better at it than I am, you know. And I'm not one of them people, so be it. Okay, so first things first, guys. Right? Monday. So the thing with Monday that was tricky about Monday, right? Before we actually had inverse this one, it was still technically the day, so I was still thinking bullish, if I'm not mistaken, right? So me coming into the morning, I wanted to see bearishness, right? I wanted to see these lows for sure get taken out, and that's the thing. I guess it kind of got me like in the bad. I think that was kind of like the beginning of the crash out, just because I wanted to see a certain certain draw play, and I said this on Monday. Oh yeah, I remember now. I think the last Sunday. I was like, bro, my only target for the week is gonna have to be most likely my right here, bro. If I'm not mistaken, weekly draw for the week. If we can say bearish, you see this low, which is this low right here, because we also had a fair value gap. All right, so that was my whole draw for the week. Literally, it draw for the week was this right here. Oh, sorry. Oh man, my dumbass caught the title wrong. Shit. Ugh. Give me a sec. Give me a second. Oh my god, I meant to put YouTube Studio. There we go. So point is, let me just fix the title real quick, guys. I can't find it. There we go. Okay, find it. I'm gonna change the title real quick, guys. Got it. Okay. There we go. All right, I got it now. All right, we're good now. So yeah, so I was looking for bearish, right? And what was I looking for bearish? My bad, sorry. So thingy. So what I was looking at, guys, that I didn't like. Why I wanted to see shorts was sorry longs. I believe. Let me see something. And it's crazy because no, I don't think NY did it. I think ES did. It's only one did it. So what I see is like I'm obviously fucking bearish until we at least sweep medium. What is it called? Until we sweep at least the previously weekly low, you know, or at least to tap into the fair value gap on a weekly time frame. But we didn't do that, and the only thing that I did see was this, guys. You know, we took out previous weekly low on Monday, right here. Sorry, right here, and here at 12:15, if I remember correctly. Wait, where did I trade from Monday? I don't see it. Monday was what? The 18th. The 18th, guys. The 18th. There you go. So wait, where did I have that? I traded in from that day. Okay, I remember now. Okay, so I remember I took that and I got stopped out, and I was like, I'm gonna just wait. And I still wanted these shorts. I don't like this, bro. I don't like this. Close it now and then just come back. I'm thinking. I'm gonna close, guys. This in this range. For real. We're already below thingy now. That's pretty cool. Well, I do it for the upside. I do. I couldn't get that. I think I just don't like it is that we're below 10. I do like. Oh my god, no. Was I muted? No, oh shit. But I can't short the NASDAQ because the stop losses are huge, dude. I was gonna get in here, but I just can't. And then now like, they're not in sync right now. This one looks bullish as heck to me, and this one looks bearish as heck to me. Just like the week, nothing that's like just fucking with me is this. The weekly open. Yeah. We would have closed this candle like below this, and I would have considered it more of a short now. But we're still respecting everything. Okay, so I remember now. Okay, so yeah, I was looking for. Okay, so if I remember correctly, Monday. I don't even know why I shorted this, bro. Long this, sorry. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm stupid, bro. Let me just have the thing, yep. Excuse me. Okay, there we go. Okay. Yeah, this weekly open was crazy, bro. I'm gonna lie. No, this is Thursday. Sorry. Yeah, Thursday when I went downhill. I can see why, bro. Fucking chop, dude. Again to the open. Still refusing to explode below it. It was a chop. It was just a nasty chop that day. But I don't remember why I tried longing this shit though. I'm not lying. Like there should have been no reason for me to long this here. I guess because we did take out previously that low, if I'm not mistaken. And I wanted to look for higher, and then it just worked in, and boom. Uh, yeah. I don't know why today, but the thing I'm trying to think about, right, is like, where did it reject from? After what did it reject? Because I need to start asking these questions, bro. Like, when is my high probability chance of it reversing? If I can answer that, then it's gonna help me out for the next time. After 2, bro. 2 was a nice ass reversal, too. But after we had already tapped. Oh no, we didn't tap into it. That's crazy. Into it here. I really wish this was a tap that got us, like lower right away. And 2 is like, can we finally tap it? So yeah, 1 wasn't out. I should have just been looking for short side week, but it is what it is. Whatever. I wanted to just trade by something, prior logic, I guess. But it is what it is. Whatever. All right, cool. So Tuesday comes out. I want to see what trade that I took on Tuesday. Tuesday is what, the 19th? Yeah, 19th. Yes, I'm still looking for shorts. I guess I didn't write it down. Oh, did I do? How did I do on Tuesday? Lost as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna see what happens here. So I'm still bearish. Yeah. Here was a super duper clean short. Right here, if I would have tapped into it before tapping it in. I'm not gonna lie. Some of the part would have been here, above midnight. But now it's a little more sus. You see? Could really tap the draw, and we're already inverting this now. It's very messy, though, I'm gonna lie. But yeah, I mean, how did I lose Tuesday then? I don't get it. I ain't trading NQ this whole week because it was too risky in my opinion. In the sense that it was way too much risk behind it. I couldn't risk as much as I wanted to. How did I end up losing on Tuesday then? Tuesday. I don't remember seeing anything like weird. I don't remember what I took on Tuesday, bro. What the fuck? I don't remember. Beautiful reaction, though, man. I don't know. Wait, I think Tuesday was there. I rushed it. Hold on. Yeah, because I have to go to. Yeah, yeah. I also learned that this shit this week, bro. Because I have to go to work. So I'm like, fuck, I'm gonna push a trade just to push it. Yeah. Yeah, I think I went long here, and I was trying to go for like other shit. Like, I mean, it wasn't a bad trade. Don't get me wrong, but yeah, this is the day that we were bumping into a fair rally gap as well, and everybody was just like a little patient and shit. And my dumb ass was the only one that was trying to jump in to get a trade in. Yeah, I got you right here. Yeah, I remember now. Yeah, I remember now. This was the day I went long on thingy. Yeah, this one I went long. Yeah, I remember now. Yeah, I remember it. I took it straight. And that was gonna go break even at the weekly open again. Because remember, we already had tapped into that fair rally again, so I was like, oh fuck. And then when they're coming down, they ended up doing it one more time, but it was Yeah, I remember now. It was so messy, bro. And Wednesday, what happened Wednesday? I lost as well. I think Wednesday I kind of did crash out a little bit. Oh, that was Thursday. Never mind. All right, so Wednesday comes up. Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah, I remember this one. I was trying to look for shorts and shit after sweeping liquidity and stuff. Oh, that shit, bro. Yeah, I still don't know why. I mean, I guess we should have been looking for long, especially after sweeping. But it was like, bro, it didn't make sense to me. Yeah, I remember once I took a short and then immediately got stopped after sweeping the liquidity I wanted. So I wanted to see, I got in here at 10:10, I believe. Yeah, I liked it. It wasn't bad. We technically never got the closure. We did get a sweep one more time and then boom, it was over for that. Yeah, that was crazy. I don't know how that happened, but it happened. Okay. So Wednesday was the 20th. What up? What up? Oh shit! I thought I was streaming from right now. I'm like, Loxy, what up? What are we talking? I'm stupid. I did reduce my stops. That was good. That should be my cue. That should be my cue. Just either break it or move to break even. That's it. See though, that was a good trade though. It was just not playing in my favor. Yeah, I think that's like beginning. Like I think I began to get upset because I really had lost for I think 3 days in a row. Yeah, that was my cue. Stop, okay. And I did. I think I did stop that day. I'm over drinking coffee. It's funny. We were kissing 10 a.m. That's what kind of wanted to give some space, but we already turning bullish. Mm-hmm. Oh, then they kept on rallying, right? Yeah, it was that day. It was that day. Yeah, it was that day. What time was it though? Oh, wait, what? Yeah, I was going for a short. Tuesday. What did I go? Dude, we did it? Bro, we didn't even take out Monday, Wednesday. There we go. We did tap into an auto block after sweeping it. That was a red flag. I mean, we're respecting bears, dog. Was it? I don't know. We did leave the equal high, dog. We did leave them. I got this was a bad. It wasn't a bad trade either. It wasn't a bad trade for sure. It wasn't because you know, just wasn't. It wasn't. It wasn't. I don't see it as a bad trade at all. I wanted to see a little bit more price action. I wanted to see this thingy, but and then Thursday that definitely the day I crashed out just because shit was so annoying. Because I already knew where I wanted to see it go, but I couldn't see it no more. Yeah, so Thursday I wanted to see lower again. Yeah, I remember now, and yeah, 21, and this is the day I crashed. This is the day where I went back bad. But no. Which we did do, but I don't know why it's just so. Yeah, I don't think I got in that time. Yeah, I got in this short. Yeah, I guess I was short by that time. Yeah. So yeah, that was the day I crashed out. I think I should have started going stupid as Friday. And I went long here. There's one I kind of made up a little bit. I made like $70 back or 60 if I'm not mistaken. But I didn't take the full thingy. I closed it like around somewhere here. Like somewhere here. Because I saw this as already like as a rebalance. You know, we're gonna go higher. So that's why I felt confident. But I mean, aside from that, bro, that was the day that I really started like losing it. And then I was like, I gotta come back with my composure. And then Friday comes along and then easy peasy squeezy, you know. Well, not easy, but it was pretty simple to see. We were thingy, we got closed above here, so I was already expecting this to be a hold of a nice leg low to go higher. Excuse me. Into a thingy, and then all I did was take an inversion. I think it was a 3-minute inversion, I mean. Which was here. It's funny because here I closed. No, I tried going long first because of a 5-minute fair rally gap, which is cool. You know, I'm not blaming. It wasn't a bad trade, but I did roll my wrist. But you know, because I'm like, bro, we could just expand here somehow, whatever. Somewhere here. Because we had 2 fair rally gaps, I believe, on him, on MQ. Oh no, we didn't have one. Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to see if this low go too, but we said about 50%. I mean, it is what it is. I got it from a 3 if I remember correctly. I'm gonna stop those here. Then this is my trade. A little higher than that. Beautiful order flow holding. It's crazy because here it was holding, dude. But yeah, I mean, I was able to regain back some thingies, so it's fine, but just gotta get locked in again, you know, lock to the higher time frames. But it's kind of hard when the fucking time frames look like this, though, like just shit. You really gotta go just say based off scalps. You see how we were closing above every order block here? That's the reason why I went long Friday. Like I saw no reason to go short. We reverted this when we tapped into, so I wanted to see it. But then we come back one more time. And eventually goes higher. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I just learned, like, overtraining is just gonna kill me. Like I said, you could... Not overtraining, sorry. Revenge trading. Because I was... When you stop thinking logic, that's when you begin to revenge trade. You're just thinking based off of impulse. If you're still overtraining in the sense that you still see your thinking, but you just can't get it, the market to go your way, then sure. But it is what it is. This what it is. This fucking new week opening gap was definitely a concern for me. You see how we just keep tapping it over and over and over again? This is what I was looking at. I want to see bodies and sweep immediately, bodies and sweep immediately, clips and reverse. Like, you know what I mean? Like something simple, but just wasn't happening. It was just hard to read the market, bro. So I'm just expecting to see what happens in the future, coming into the past, into the thingy week. I do expect new week opening gaps to be holding this week. I mean, sorry, new high of all time high basically this week, and then continue higher. But yeah, it is what it is. This is straight shit, dude. It's straight shit. Straight fucking trendline shit. That's crazy. We'll see though. We'll see. Anyways, yeah, that'll be it. Again, pretty weird week for sure. All right. See you guys Tuesday. Oh, sorry.